What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And let's talk about something that's a little underrated here. I have here it's called a laser bore scope. This is from MidTen. You can pick these up for about 20 bucks on Amazon. So MidTen green laser bore scope, and you can see I actually have it on right now. Basically, you put the batteries in this, you screw it in. It's the shape of a .223 Remington bullet. And sure enough, right here, I have one of my ARs and I just put a new red dot on it. So one of the best things to do in order to kind of get this sighted in is to actually use this laser, throw it into the bore, and now we actually have a general guesstimate of where to put our red dot to before we head to the range. Again, I think this is a very underestimated tool or thing everybody should be doing when they get their red dots. It's going to help save some time at the range. I hate zeroing optics, so this kind of cuts some of that time out. But with that, let me show you how to use this real quick, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get into it. So again, the device itself is pretty simple. It has 3 little batteries. It comes with 12 of them, which is nice. And it has a always on feature, so as soon as you put the batteries in and screw the back on, this is going to be on. And at this point, all you have to do is drop it into your bore, or you can load it into a magazine to insert it into the chamber, and that's going to give you a general idea of where your line of sight is with the bore. So I'm going to go ahead and feed this in from the mag well here. And again, the laser is on, and now it is down. And then I don't like to slam the bolt forward on this one, so I'll actually use this to catch it and slowly push it forward. And now when we point it here, you can see there's actually a green laser coming out of our gun. So it's basically like we're in Star Wars now. With it in here, it's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is take your new red dot like I have here, turn it on, and you're basically gonna set a target up. Let's say you wanna do 25 feet or 25 yards. If you have room inside your house, you actually have 25 feet to set up a little target. I'd recommend doing that. And basically, you're gonna point the AR on the target and get your red dot to line up with the green dot then. Or if you have a green reticle, whatever color it is, just get it to line up with the bore sight that we put in. Pretty simple to do, and I'm just looking down. My door is about 20 feet away here, and I can see that it's a little off to the right. So all I have to do is make a quick adjustment here, and I now have this red dot zeroed into the bore. So now when I go to the range, I cut out a lot of time as far as trying to zero this optic in. It should be pretty close, if not right on par to where it should be. And I can go ahead and continue my range day having fun and not have to worry about zeroing the optic. So once you have it all zeroed in with your red dot to the bore sight now, all you have to do is, obviously you wanna make sure the extractor got around the bore sight that we installed, but all you do is just eject it like you would a normal cartridge. And you can see now our green laser's out. So again, the laser came out here and I am done with it now. So all I have to do, since it has the always on, is unscrew it, remove the batteries. It actually comes with, like I said, 12 batteries in a little battery storage container, which is super nice. So I just take the batteries out, put it back in the battery storage container, screw the cap back on, and then just store this for the next time I need it. Again, I think these are kind of an underutilized tool, and this, MidTen green laser bore sight you can pick up on Amazon for 20 bucks. I think it's kind of a no-brainer. Again, saves you a bunch of time not having to zero your red dots in as much. And if you're like me, you have a bunch of .223 or 5.56 rifles, so it makes it a lot easier to drop this in, check the bore, get it aligned with your red dot, so that way you can actually get to shooting at the range instead of zeroing the whole time. Either way, I hope this video was helpful. Just wanted to do a quick little tips and trick overview of that here. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions on this product, let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.